Good morning, students. So, how are all of you? I am fine only, and you are all of you doing or not? I don't know the homework. So next, yes, last Saturday I got means only Asia is bringing. Onikato don't know what is happening means or what problem is going on. She means not looking. I think video also, and homework copy also not given. So I will call I think to her what she what she will do again. Today we'll discuss chapter number I think wait about map. I think yes, yeah, we are discussing about map. So till here completed. Now from here. So when a small area like your village or town is to be shown on paper, then we use a large scale that is 5 centimeter ধরা হয় on the map shown 500 meters only on the ground. It is called a large scale map. Large scale map বুলি কয়. So large scale maps give more information than small scale maps. So এইবিলাকে বহুত information আমি পাম ইয়াতে কৈছে. So direction. Most maps contain an arrow marked with the letter N বুলি থাকে ইয়াতে at the upper right hand corner. This arrow shows the north direction. It is called a north line বুলি কয়. When you know the north, you can find out other direction, for example east, west and south. There are 4 major direction: north, south, east and west. Figure 4.2. They are called cardinal points বুলি কয়. Other 4 intermediate directions are northeast, southwest and northwest. We can locate any place more accurately with the help of these intermediate directions. Find out the following directions from the figure 4.1. 4.1 অর্থাৎ diagram সহিত বলা হয়েছে. The directions of the community center, the playground from Bika's house, the directions of school from shops. We can find out the directions of a place with the help of a compass. দিয়ে আমি চাব পাৰোঁ. It is an instrument used to find out main direction বিলাক find out কৰাৰ কাৰণে. Its magnitude needle always points towards north south direction এইটো. Symbols. It is the third important component of a map. It is not possible to draw on a map the actual shape and size of different features such as building, roads, bridges, trees, railway lines or a well. So they are shown by using certain letters, shades, color, pictures, lines. These symbols give a lot of information in a limited space. With the use of these symbols, maps can be done easily and are simple to read. So easily আমি ড্ৰ কৰিব পাৰোঁ, সহজে আমি পঢ়িব পাৰোঁ. Even and if you don't know the language of an area and therefore cannot ask someone for directions, you can collect information from maps with the help of this symbol. এই চিম্বলবিলাকৰ হেল্পত গম পাওঁ. Maps have a universal language. এটা universal language থাকে that can be understood by all. There is an international agreement regarding the use of these symbols. These are called conventional symbols. Conventional symbol koi. Some of the conventional symbols are shown in figure 4.3. 4.3 amok device symbol bilakor kotha. So various colors are used for the same purpose. For example, generally blue is used for showing water bodies, brown for mountains, yellow for plateau, and green is used for plains also. Plains ogano hoise. Next, sketch. A sketch is drawing mainly based on memory and spot observations. Memory spot observation and not to scale. Sometimes a rough drawing is required of an area to tell where a particular place is located with respect to the other places. Suppose you want to go to your friend's house but you don't know the way. Your friend may make a rough drawing to show the way to his house. Such a rough drawing is drawn without scale and is called a sketch map. Sketch map. So till here only see, other we discuss next step.